Hi guys, today I'll be showing you what I got at Sapna. First I got some notebooks from store 67. This is a single line notebook and at the end we have lots of activities. This is a rule maths notebook. And this is a long single notebook. Every book has activities behind it. Next, as vacations are approaching, I got some books for me to learn for next year. I got a Purvi textbook of English for class 6. It is NCERT. Next, I got Malhar Kaksha 6. A Hindi textbook which is also based in NCERT. Then Ganita Prakash textbook of mathematics for grade 6. This is also NCERT. And Curiosity for science, also based on NCERT. Next I got some brush pens. I also got 3 pens. 2 Horsa Exos. You can see it. And 1 Flare Motion. I also got 2 gift cards, best wishes and thank you. Last but not the least, I got some fridge magnets that I can color with acrylic paints from Sparks. It costed me 75 rupees. Thank you. See you in the upcoming videos.